Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutsell speaking, and in this video we are going to look at View feature number 2, Mode, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on View and hover over Mode, three options appear: Editing, Suggesting, and Viewing. Editing is the default state of a Google Doc. Basically, I have access to any of the tools available in order to edit the document in any way I see fit. When I click on View and hover over Mode and select Suggesting, the screen appears in this way. Suggesting means that any edits within a Google Doc become suggestions rather than saved automatically. This can be very useful when a Google Doc is shared with multiple collaborators. The collaborators can have the ability to make suggestions in the Google Doc, which then can be accepted or rejected by the original owner. Suggestions appear as comment boxes on the right-hand side of the screen. Finally, under View and Mode is Viewing. This mode can be useful if you want to see what a Google Doc will look like when shared as viewable only with others. So, in general, under View and Mode, editing is the form that will be useful for most projects, but suggesting and viewing also have their uses. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.